Hello, Tyler McCully's Wide World of Trains. I'm in Callao, Missouri right now, so I don't know what it is. That looks like a slow train, I'll say. One. That's a BNSF. BNSF, alright. Got an SD70 Max. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 9, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 153 cars. I think we got SD72 Aces. DP, alright. Check it out, man. There's a BNSF with our AC4400CW with our SD70 Mac and 2 Aces for DPR rights. That was called the Coal Train. That was a coal train pulling 153 cars. Can you believe that? Symbol of that train was BNSF AC4400CW with our SD70 Mac unit with our 2 DPR rights, SD70 Ace units, alright. That train originates south at the Clifton Hill, Missouri at Randolph County at the Thomas Hill Power Plant at Tommy Hill. Heads north, going to turn west at Heritage Street, goes by West Bevier, Missouri. Comes here, town of Callao, honked at me. Heads west on its way to going to stop at Kansas City, Missouri, get some late breakfast, and on its way west, on its way to North Gillette, Wyoming. Happened on Monday, August 1st, 2022, by Bill McCully and Tyler McCully's Wide World of Trains on YouTube. You get a comment section, give YouTube a like. Here's the next video. Roll.